Hey guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for joining me in this video. And if you love the artwork and new here, then please don't be late by subscribing my channel. Okay, so now in this video, I will color a butterfly with the help of rope. So don't be late by trying this with me. And for this, we need some acrylic colors. I chose these neon colors. Love the so bright colors these days. Need some metallic colors. These are the metallic colors. We also need some water to make colors little thin if the colors are thick. Otherwise no need of it. I have thick black colors, so I need for the black only. So with all these equipments, let's start the coloring. First of all, put some drops of white color on your canvas, some green, neon green, lemon yellow. Now with the help of round brush, start painting. I'm painting the round texture for base. Just randomly I'm doing it. It gives a nice texture. And these colors are so vibrant. See, all the textures are coming. It's not blended. So this is the butterfly. Take the rope dipped in water and place it before you put the paint on the paper. You can also put the rope after you put color, but if you are beginner, then it's better to put the rope before. So after all this, put some colors, the colors which you want. I chose these metallic colors. Slowly you pull off the rope. Okay, now it's coming. All this in the same manner. Slowly you will become a pro in it. It's my signature, the artist's signature. The painting is ready now. Really enjoy the coloring, the process of the coloring. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, be happy and be safe. Take care.